Hey everyone, David C. Anderson here coming at you from the Knife Center, and today we're stirring up a classic rivalry yet again. It's Benchmade versus Spyderco, and this time we're pitting the ever-popular Griptilian against the Manix 2, and you get to pick the winner. With similar price points, the axis lock on the Griptilian and the ball bearing lock on the Manix 2 are what make these knives so comparable. Now, they don't function in exactly the same way, they are different locks, but they both operate in a very similar fashion. They each have a bar or toggle that runs through both sides of the handle. This enables it to be a fully ambidextrous system, and it also keeps your fingers out of the path of the blade when you're actuating them. That ambidextrous nature is going to be a theme you'll see repeated on both of these knives. When it comes to the blades, both feature S30V steel, which is a fantastic all-around option for an EDC pocket knife. It's stainless and brings great edge retention to the table. But if that steel doesn't do it for you, there are upgrade options on both of these models with more premium alloys. The Manix features Spyderco's famous leaf-shaped blade with a full flat grind, and it works well for just about any scenario. From EDC to tactical and even food prep, this is going to work very nicely. The Griptilian comes with even more specialized options. This one here is the drop point, which is the most well-rounded shape in the lineup, but you've got sheep's foot and tanto profiles that are also available. That way you can tailor your carry to exactly what you need it to do. Another advantage that both of these locks bring to the table is easy deployment with smooth riding pivots. With either design, you can flick them open and closed if you want to, or you can go with more traditional one-handed opening. The Manix has Spyderco's signature round opening hole, and it complements the ambidextrous nature of the lock by making it easy to open with either hand. The sheep's foot version of the Griptilian actually has a similar hole to the Spyderco, but if you prefer thumb studs, you can get them with the drop point and the tanto blades. Comparing the handles on these two similar price models, you can see a difference with G10 on the Manix and Noril GTX, a polymer material, on the Griptilian, but that doesn't tell the whole story. Further up and down the lineup of available models, you can also find G10 on the Griptilians and lightweight FRN on the Manix 2, so the options are there if you want them. As far as handle shape, each one has an advantage over the other in certain areas. The Manix features flat scales, but if you prefer something with a little more girth, the Griptilian has a more radiused handle. It still carries very easily though, and it's actually even lighter than the G10 Manix. The Griptilian has plenty of length on the handle, and it has an accommodating streamlined shape, with no finger grooves or anything else like that that's going to get in the way. With a beak on the end of the pommel, the Manix 2 is a little bit more restrictive, but to get over that, it offers more space overall thanks to the full-size finger choil that lets you choke up. And this also lets you get right behind the edge with your grip for even more control. The last detail making these knives perfect for both right and left-handers is the pocket clip, with a reversible design that clips the knife in a tip-up configuration. The Manix 2 comes with a more polished stainless clip, whereas the Griptilian features a hardened blackened finish for a little more discretion. Both of these American-made folders are bona fide hits, and they're perfect examples of attainable, US-made quality goods that are designed and put together with precision. The only question is, which one would you spend your money on? Let us know in the comments if you prefer Benchmade's Griptilian or Spyderco's Manix 2. In the meantime, to get your hands on either of them, click the link in the description below to head over to KnifeCenter.com.